You have patches of dense fog. We're going to have a lot of fog just spreading out and then turning into even some low clouds around sunrise. So that mix of some clouds and fog is the story this morning. A warm start again with those temperatures ranging from upper 50s to low 60s. Again, closer to the normal high. Sunrise 7:06 on this Friday. So again, we get this low cloud cover here from that fog that exits. A few clouds are still moving around at times for the rest of the day, but that does give us more partly cloudy to mostly sunny views, more hours of sunshine today on this Friday. That does leave us with a high still around 75 degrees. So obviously another warm day. We do have a light northeasterly wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, picking up gusts closer to 15 miles per hour this afternoon to evening, just stirring around a little bit of that cooler wind as it's actually dropping the humidity levels this afternoon to evening. That'll make tomorrow morning a little cooler. So this morning, stuffy at 62, 69 degrees at 11, high today 75 and upper 60s at 6. In fact, in the first alert forecast where you live, that does give us highs then ranging upper 60s to low 70s and then low to mid 70s in parts of the valley, like 75 Etowah to Knoxville and Oak Ridge, warming to right around 68 in Crossville and 66 in Jamestown. That puts you at 70 in La Follette, more 60s of the Tennessee-Kentucky line with those clouds lingering a little longer for you. 66 in Stearns to 70 in Tazewell, 71 Morristown to 73. Pigeon Forge. So definitely still a warm day. As we go into the weekend, though, we're going to start to see those changes yet again. Only this time I think we can hold off the clouds a little longer on Saturday. So we have a few clouds, few pockets of fog first thing, partly to mostly cloudy then really mid to late afternoon and to the evening. Now what's important here is we have the humidity going back up during the day on Saturday, so an isolated shower could pop up out of this cloud cover. You got the clouds, you got the humidity going up, and that can create an isolated shower out ahead of what'll be more scattered rain tomorrow night. So notice a couple spots of rain actually reaching out to the plateau around 9 to 10. Closer to midnight, kicking out some spots of rain. That spreads out to more of a scattered coverage, meaning some pockets of light to moderate rain throughout our area Saturday night into early Sunday morning. So more changes on the way. Warm out ahead of that cold front does leave us again with those increasing clouds. That'll take us from 49 Saturday morning. I do think we'll be a little cooler because of that brief drop in humidity for your Friday night to Saturday morning. 67 then at noon and then becoming mostly cloudy. Again, an isolated shower could develop on the tail end of the day. Tomorrow still warm at 74. And actually the timing of the clouds will slow down the cooling during the evening UT game. So in your I'm All Vol forecast presented by Food City, that takes us from 66 at the start to 63 by half to 62 at the end. An isolated shower can pop up again because that cloud cover is moving in, the humidity is moving back up ahead of what will be scattered rain Saturday night and Sunday. Sunday does not look like a washout. Actually, it looks like we'll have some breaks where it's clouds and even spotty showers and then a few more showers developing at times until Sunday night when the actual front moves in. Then it's a more organized line of rain moving across our area. Could get some rumbles of thunder at this time. Into early Monday morning, this is when we'll have a scattered coverage closer to sunrise. Spotty rain then shortly after sunrise into the mountains. Going into Monday, Veterans Day, for those outdoor ceremonies. So I wanted to stress that part. In terms of rainfall, so since we're slow rolling into scattered showers, some of us will go ahead and collect a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch, isolated higher amounts. Then that Sunday night to Monday passage will let us collect more of that half an inch to 3/4 of an inch with some isolated 1 inch rainfall total. So much needed rain on the way. Plus it chips away at that heat, leaves us in the upper 60s to around 70. Then cold front number 2. Second half of next week helps to push that heat down even more. We're still looking at rain mainly Wednesday night into early Thursday, but that'll help get us closer to seasonable temperatures at the end of your first alert 8-day planner.